Kidam tang ni phai pli la pen phor ni KC Secondary School Silong along abarim lo charli atum diphualong kaching room pon Bangso along lo charli abarim karbia khai tum pen chepatyo piponsi mesen ason ke pathu padoponsi langso kang thu picnic spot along juilangdam tet pen puthot arboretum cum craft center diphualong kaching room padopon Kachitong ajay megalong abarim lo charli KC Secondary School atum Manipur, Arunachal, Meghalaya, Assam la pen Nagaland penta nang chitong dun rin tisi ning cheparong pon. Lason si RD kedo atum Headmaster Brian Walang, Lieutenant Colonial Borlongki B, ACF Prohalad Crow, ARO Nilitpal Ronghang, SP of Nagaland, Tokavi Achumi, Rangers, Bidyutpal Ronghang, Chingbai Ronghang, Maipu Rajesh Crow la pen lo charli rapet atum chitong rin tisi ningarong kachipi pon. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live.